Namaste dear children, I hope all of you are fine. In previous day I taught you the lesson regarding the wise little caliph. In that lesson we saw that Ali was a person who lived in Baghdad. He was a trader, he was a kind and honest man. He led a simple life and his business was going happily. One night Ali got a dream that he was supposed to make a pilgrimage to Mecca. The dream brought changes in Ali's life. He sold his shop and kept aside only the few items that he could sell after coming from Mecca. He also found a tenant for his house. Ali did not know what to do with his savings of 1000 gold coins. For, till here we learn. For the continuation, dear children, turn your page number 10 and put today's date, that is 9/9/2020. Before reading the lesson, I'll read out the glossary, anatomies and some meanings. The olive. The olive is a tree that can live up to 600 years or more for thousands of years. The olive branch had been used as a sign of peace and friendship. Glossary means difficult word meaning. Olives, small black fruits from the olive tree. Anatomies means opposite words. Filled opposite word emptied. Rotten means fresh. Touched, untouched. Understood dear children? Okay. Now we start reading the lesson. Please keep the pencil on your page where I am reading. Ali thought for a while and then dropped the coins into a large jar. The coins filled only half the jar. He filled the remaining space in the jar with olives. He closed the jar tightly and took it to his friend's home. Dear friend, said Ali, I am leaving for Mecca tomorrow. Could you please keep this jar of olives for me till I return? Sure, said his friend. Here is the key to my shop. Put the jar wherever you like in my shop, and you can take it back on your return. Ali did as his friend told him and then left for Mecca. After visiting Mecca, he went to Cairo in Egypt to sell his goods. There he met some other traders and traveled with them to Persia and India. In this manner, 7 years passed. Now Ali had been away for so long that his friend in Baghdad forgot all about him. One day his wife said, I haven't eaten olives for a long time. I wish I could have some now. Olives? Said her surprised husband. I can get you olives. Ali left a jar of olives with me 7 years ago. I suppose he is dead since he never returned from his journey. You can eat his olives. I will bring them from my shop. Till here we stop, dear children. Read till here 3 times. And children, I read the paragraph from Ali to shop. Now I will explain in my own words to you. Ali's savings he kept in a jar. The jar was half, so he filled the jar with olives, that nuts from the olive tree, and closed the jar. And Ali went to his friend and told his friend that tomorrow he is leaving to Mecca, so keep this jar with him. By hearing this, Ali's friend told, okay, I will keep the jar with me. Take the shop key and go to my shop wherever you want. Keep your jar and go. By hearing this, Ali took the key and went to the friend shop and kept the jar, and he left to Mecca. After reaching Mecca, he visited everywhere in Mecca and he then went to Cairo to sell his some goods. In Cairo, in Egypt, he saw some of his trader friends and with them he visited to Persia and India. Like that, years passed. Ali was away from Baghdad from long time. His friend also forgot him and his jar. One day what happened, children? His friend's wife asked him, she did not eat olives from very long time. By hearing this, Ali's friend became surprised. Then he told, "Okay, I will bring olives because long ago back means 7 years back, Ali left a olive jar with me, so I'll go to my shop and see whether it is there. If it is there means I'll bring back. Now I believe that Ali is no more because it's long time." I hope children you understood. Read this till where I marked 3 times along with glossaries, anatomies, three times in your English class, homework book. I hope all of you understood children. Thank you.